I came at voter ID was to change the spelling of my name. Everything is done.
I'm here today just to come and change my voter ID card. And my old one is lost, and I just came today to change it for the new one.
My main aim to come here in this voter registration drive was to get my registration done and to cast my vote to a party who can move Fiji forward.
Visiting the voters, the Fiji election office site, just to update my card. That's the reason why I'm here. I think it's critical that all citizens of Fiji do participate in this important process of selecting our leaders who's going to guide us in the next 4 years. It is a right that not most countries enjoy, and we should be glad that this is something that we can participate in this democratic process. And I do encourage others who are out there who hasn't updated their card, please do come along and visit the election sites that are near you. As you can see, it's quite empty. The process is very fast, very convenient, and I do thank the officials for the efficiency in terms of the services that they've provided.